Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail fruit at home. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect fruit for your delicious creations. We'll then move on to preparing a simple syrup, infusing your chosen fruit, and finally, how to store your homemade cocktail fruit so it stays fresh and ready for your next drink. The foundation of great cocktail fruit is fresh, high-quality produce. Opt for fruits that are ripe but still firm, such as vibrant berries, crisp apples, or juicy citrus. After a good wash, prepare your fruit by slicing or dicing it to your preferred size. Remember to remove any seeds or pits to ensure a pleasant experience in your cocktails. Now, let's create the simple syrup that will infuse your fruit with sweetness. Combine equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan, heating it gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once your syrup is ready, pour it warm over your prepared fruit. Make sure every piece is fully submerged to allow for proper infusion and preservation. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade cocktail fruit for longer. Transfer the infused fruit and syrup to an airtight container and refrigerate it. This method allows the fruit to stay fresh for several weeks. You can use your delicious creations in a variety of cocktails, mocktails, or even as a delightful garnish for desserts. Enjoy experimenting with new flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.